This dance is called Country Everywhere. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance with one tag. Starting on the right foot, walk forward, right, left. Into a kick ball point off on the right, kick ball point. Another kick ball point with the left foot leading, kick ball point. Walk back 2 steps, right, left. That set of steps once more then, walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick ball point, back, back. Jump back on the right, touch the left beside the right, hold. So that is on the and, 1, hold, 2 count timing. Repeat that with the left. So we jump back on the left on the and count, touch the right beside the left, hold. Now we're going to do a series of side touches, making a quarter of a turn to the left. So we step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Turn 1/8 to the left, you step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Further 1/8 left as you step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, and then just straight forward, step the left to the side, touch right beside the left. So you should hopefully have made a quarter of a turn to the left. So that set of steps once more then, jumping back on that right. 7, 8, back touch, hold, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch. Now there are quite a few and counts in that section, so those side touches are going to be quite quick. So let's add that to the top, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick ball point, back, back, back touch, hold, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch. Chassé to the right, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Slide the left forward, scuff the right into a forward rock on the right, recover your weight on the left. So when you slide that step forward, it's going to be quite a large step. So that set of steps once more then, chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, slide, scuff, forward rock. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick ball point, back, back, back touch, hold, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, right chassé, back rock, slide, scuff, forward rock. Shuffle back on the right, shuffle back on the left. Into a V step, modified, because you're going backwards. So normally you would step diagonally forward, on this one you're going to step diagonally back. So the right goes diagonally back to the right towards 130, the left goes back towards 430, the right comes back to the centre, and the left steps beside the right. So a backward V step. That set of steps once more then, shuffling back on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, step out, in, close. So you're going backwards. So let's add that to the top. That is the end of the dance when we get to that point. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick ball point, back, back, back touch, hold, back touch, hold, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, right chassé, back rock, slide, scuff, forward rock, back shuffle, back out, in, close. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, ball, point, back, back, back touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, right chassé, back rock, slide, scuff, forward rock, back shuffle, back out, in, close, walk, walk, kick, ball, point, back, back touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, right chassé, back rock, slide, scuff, forward rock, back shuffle, back out, in, close, walk, walk, kick, ball, point, back touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, right chassé, back rock, slide, scuff, forward rock, back shuffle, out, in, close. So that's your dance. Now there are some optional styling steps that you can put into this dance, according to the choreographer. You have to listen to the music. So the first one is when the artist actually sings Honky Tonk Way. You'll be getting to the point of doing all those side touches. What the choreographer says is to make yourself look cowboyish. You can put your hands on your belt buckle. I've only got one hand free. Imagine there's a belt buckle there. You will then do your side touches. Optional styling steps. The second one comes when you hear the artist sing I See Country Everywhere. You'll actually be doing your back V-step at that point, and when you do so, your option is to cup your hands over your eyes, and as you step back on the right, you look to the right. As you step to the left, you look to the left. As you step forward again, you look right, and then you look left as you bring your feet together. So it's looking that right, left in time with your feet moving on that backward V-step. Optional styling steps. Now there is a little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 12. Wall 12 will actually be your 3 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 12 o'clock when you come to do the tag. So the tag, quite simply, is a V-step going forwards. So you step your right diagonally forward to the right, left diagonally forward to the left, right diagonally back to the left, in other words back to where it came from, left beside the right. A forward V-step, single count timing steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's have a go at wall 12. Add the tag on the end and restart the dance. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, kick, ball, point, back, touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, and right chassé, back rock, slide, scuff, forward rock, back shuffle, out, in, close, tag, out, out, in, close, walk, walk, keep 1 point. Starts the dance again. So that is your dance and your walkthrough and your tag information. End of wall 12 B-step. Let's give it a go. Turbo music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, kick 1 point, kick 1 point, back, back, back touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, right shuffle, back, rock, slide, step, forward, back shuffle, out, in, close, walk, walk, kick 1 point, back, back touch, side touch, side touch, right shuffle, back, rock, slide, step, forward, back shuffle, out, in, close, walk, walk, kick 4 points, back, touch, side touch, right shuffle, back, rock, slide, step, forward, back shuffle, out, in, close, walk, kick 4 points, back, touch, side touch, right shuffle, back, rock, slide, step, forward, back shuffle, out, in, close, walks, back touch, chasse, back shuffle, walks, back touch, chasse, shuffle, walks,
Take a shot of some Hank for the bad days.
touch,
A little dolly for the smiles and the good things.
chasse,
Load up a dose of Willie when you wanna get high.
shuffle,
Oh, this
walks,
thing hits wherever you call home. No, it
chasse,
ain't something that you find only
Shuffle.
down the old dirt road. It's in the lights of New York, the hills of LA. Everybody got their own honky-tonk way. Down to Carolina and up to Idaho. They all want some board swinging, picking on that banjo. They like to dance to the songs we're singing. Can't get enough of the whiskey we're drinking. All want a piece of that homegrown feeling. It ain't just here or there. I see country everywhere. I see the tears, the first loves, the breakups, families, friends, the fights and the makeups, home team, home
Tag
runs,
wall.
fourth quarter comebacks. We all know that
tag B-step,
it's in
freestyle
the
walks,
lights of New York, the hills of LA. Everybody got their own honky-tonk way. Down to Carolina and up to Idaho. They all want some board swinging, picking on that banjo. They like to dance to the songs we're singing. Can't get enough of the whiskey we're drinking. All want a piece of that homegrown feeling. It ain't just here or there. I see country everywhere. I see country everywhere.
hope you managed that one.